Hello and welcome back to 5 Minute Move. I, Danny Trejo, will lead you through a 6-minute video, the 5-minute workout. Today is Wednesdays, which means we're doing upper body, biceps, arms, triceps, chest, that kind of stuff. This week I'm going to be demonstrating those exercises with a kettlebell here, but you can use whatever you like, a barbell, dumbbell, whatever you have around the house. A little puppy, well, that's sad. Don't use the puppy. Big dog, use that one. All right, so if I'm going to demonstrate these exercises, we're going to do some kneeling halos. So on your knees, everything will be done on the floor today, by the way, which is why we're down here today. You're gonna pick up, hold the kettlebell, and then you're just going to literally just make some big circles. I know you can't see the kettlebell because of the frame right now, but just know that I am trying to make as big circles as I can with those arms. The plank pull through here. So it's here first, you pull across, go down to a plank and pull across to the other side. Then you're gonna do some kneeling push-ups. On your knees, no matter if you can do a regular push-up or not, stay on your knees, come down and get off the floor just like that. And then a kneeling single military press, which will be here, and then straight up. And you'll do that for 30 seconds, and then a chest press pullover, which will be done on your back, here, down, and up. If you need to see these exercises again, go ahead and pause, see the demonstrations. If not, we're gonna start in 3 seconds, 2, 1, and right into kneeling halos. Woo! Rushing today, rushing. I'm always getting behind, aren't I? So up overhead, coming around, just like so, as far as you can. If you can't do it with the kettlebell, this is 8 pounds, by the way. And it's still a little tough for me. My shoulders are a little tight. No excuses though. If you don't need the kettlebell or a barbell or whatever, just use your arms. All right, just come around and loosen up. The goal is to get the arm out of the socket as far as possible. Get that bicep past the ear while you do it on both sides. Don't here, keep it here. All right, 30 seconds left. Focusing on mobility. This is the mobility section. This is where we get everything loosened up. All right, I don't know why I was clapping just then. To make a point, loosen things up. I guess it does help. All right, 17 seconds, we'll go ahead and go over to plank pull through, which is our stability section. So now that our shoulders are getting mobile, stability is gonna help stabilize the muscles we're about to use for strength. So in 10 seconds, we're gonna get ready for that. In 10 seconds, you're gonna get into a plank with the weight under you. In 3, 2, 1, here, and pull across the body. Just like so. Every time you have to get up onto one arm, you balance, put all your weight onto that arm, and then come across the body, here, come across the body, all right? And the goal there, if it's too easy for you, like with the range that I just showed you, put the kettlebell much further across your body as you drag, okay? So that will look like this. Here, to like way out there. And then I'm gonna reach underneath here and pull it back across, okay? So getting a further reach, 30 more seconds on the plank pull-throughs. As it can be really challenging, you'll start to get your heart rate up. I kind of already feel it already, but that could also be the workout I just got out of, but oh well. 20 more seconds, and then we're going to kneeling push-ups. Keep in mind when we do the strength portion, I specifically wrote kneeling push-ups. No matter what your advanced range is, I want you to kneel. So if you're a beginner, kneeling's perfect. Work on your technique, work on your form. I'll talk about that in 6 seconds. And if you're not advanced, then we're gonna work on, if you are advanced, then you're gonna work on better technique. And begin. So, if you're brand new, palms here, and you want your thumbs to go into your nipples or chest. So here, and then straight up, all right? Just like so. Come down and keep your butt as high as your back. All right, if you're advanced, bring your hands closer to your belly button. All right, come down, and straight up. I can do a lot of push-ups, and that's hard for me, having my hands much lower on my body. And press up. All right, this is strength. Make it as hard as you possibly can. 30 seconds left. Make it as hard as you can on your body by your technique that you're gonna be using for the push-ups. If you're new to it, focus on the easy stuff, right? If your arm's a little higher, focus on pacing. 20 more seconds, and then we'll go over into kneeling single military press. Everything's down on the ground today. I like to stay low, keep it easy for myself. 10 seconds left. Plus it's upper body day. You should have a little fun on upper body day. I would argue upper body day is why most of us even work out. 2, 1, and kneeling single military press. But then again, I'm gonna be biased, I'm just speaking for myself. All right, come out to the side here, bring that up. So remember, it's power section, so come down slow, and then press fast. Slow, press fast. I don't know why I do this, by the way, but I always do this when I'm doing a military press. Keep my hand on my sternum. I think it's to see if my abs are engaging. Come up overhead, like so. 9 more seconds, then I'm gonna switch sides to the other arm, and you can focus on there. So power, explosive, 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 explosive. Arguably, power is probably the best way to create tone in a muscle, but you can't really use effectively power until you do its other sections first. All right, so keep that in mind. You should have already switched 6 seconds ago, sorry about that. right, focus, 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 explode, explode, explode. Get some nice shoulders, get some nice arms, really focus on that chest. This is, I guess we can call them the peacock muscles, the things that people see that are flared, that look really nice in a shirt or a tank top come the summer season. All right, 5 seconds left, and then we're gonna finish up with chest press pullovers, which is a great mobility or endurance exercise for the end. And begin. So you can stay flat on your back here. You're gonna come here and come across. Ooh, pulling up Britney Spears here. Up and across to the ground. Now, if you want to make it a little bit harder, lift up. This one should be a little heavier. 8 pounds really isn't gonna do for me. For me, okay, I always talk about going faster if you have lighter weights. So I'm gonna show you what that means. I have 8 pounds and I have no other option. So for me to get a good workout in, I have to go. So that's what that means. Now, if this was 80 pounds, I'd be going more like, and then hold it, hold it, hold it, and I'm like, come across. All right? So the pace is a lot different. So that's what you can do. You either have force on the muscle or you have speed, essentially, right? You have to choose one or the other based on how much weight you're actually using and what you're going for. 10 seconds left and we are done here today. You don't have to see me again until, well, I guess until tomorrow, whenever you choose to do this again. 2, 1, buzzer, done. Thank you guys for being here today. We just finished up some upper body. Tomorrow, come back for some kettlebell demonstrations of how to do an ab series in 5 minutes. See ya.